With gas and electricity bills on course to increase by 54% in April, Buckingham Palace, which has 775 rooms and an estimated energy bill of £263,342.94, is set to feel the hike, Smart Heating Service (BOXT) said. When the new cap, calculated by regulator Ofgem, is set in April as a result of the sharp rise in wholesale gas prices over the last few months, millions of households will typically pay an extra £693 a year on their energy bills. But at Her Majesty's official residence, this figure is as high as £200,000, with the Monarch's bill soaring to £476,790.95 in 2022. This is the equivalent to 826 UK households and much more dramatic than the current average yearly heating bill of £577. The Royal Household's website reads, "Staff from across the royal household work closely to reduce the energy used to heat, light and cool our buildings. Energy consumption is monitored through a network of over 60 smart meters installed across the estate." Combined heat and power has been in use at Buckingham Palace and Windsor Castle since 1994–95. These units convert natural gas into electricity, with the heat produced by this process being used to provide heating and hot water. As a result, combined heat and power reduces the royal household's greenhouse gas emissions, energy costs and reliance on the national grid. As per Price Comparison Service Energy Helpline, there are other factors to consider which might make the costs much higher. They said, Buckingham Palace was originally built in 1703 and while it's seen several expansions and renovations since then, some of its systems are still stuck in the past. Certain radiators in the palace are over 60 years old while the heating and electrical cabling date back to the 1950s. Older systems such as these are significantly less energy efficient, meaning they generally cost a lot more to run. It is unknown what the Queen's permanent move to Windsor Castle, where she and the late Duke of Edinburgh moved to at the start of the coronavirus pandemic in March 2020, will mean to operations at Buckingham Palace. The palace is currently undergoing £369 million refurbishments expected to be completed in 2027.